Hi everybody, it's Miss Morris, and I just want to give you a quick few tips on how you're going to be getting around in the breakout rooms. So, when you join, make sure you click microphone so that everybody will be able to hear you. When you click allow, it's going to give you the echo test, and you should be able to hear your voice speaking right back to you. If you do, like I am, click yes.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Perfect. So, you'll see right here, what's going to be uploaded for you is the breakout rooms assignment. So I'm going to upload that right now, but when you join your breakout room, it's already going to be there. This basically tells you what you are going to be doing today. So it is loading for us, it is uploading, and there it is. Alrighty. So, you'll see that what are we doing in breakout rooms? Everyone choosing roles. Here are the roles. Presenter, you're reading that excerpt out loud for the group. Take presenter in conferences and writes initials of group mates next to job. So when you're the presenter, you're going to take presenter. So the way you do that, there are two ways. You can either click on your name next to users and click take presenter. It'll be an option here. Since I'm the only one in the room, it's not showing up because I am the presenter. Make sure you don't mute users because everybody needs a chance to speak. Or you can click down here at this plus button where it says actions and take presenter. Once you do that, you're going to see the toolbar on your right. You'll click Tools, and you can click the pencil. You can change the color. You can change how big it's writing. So what you're going to do as the presenter is you're going to put people's initials. So my initials are KM, so I'm going to put KM next to presenter because I know I'm the presenter. Then say your recorder, John Doe. John Doe. And then say you have a moderator of, I don't know, John Kerry, J and K. So now you've written all of your group's initials, and you've successfully chosen the roles, so you can cross that out or you can put a little check mark. Next. Follow along with the recorder's shared screen. So if you look at recorder, it says, takes presenter when initials are written and shares screen with document. So again, you're going to take presenter by either clicking this plus where it says actions and clicking take presenter, or clicking on your user and taking presenter that way. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to share your screen and open up the document. So this is a good way of knowing when you're trying to pick a recorder. If there's somebody that already knows how to share screen, pick them. If there's nobody that knows how to share screen, no worries, I'm going to show you right now. So, once the recorder takes presenter, you're going to click right down here where it says share your screen. It's next to the share webcam button. When it pops up, it's going to say your entire screen. That's the best way to go. You'll see that it starts loading, and it shows a ton of different screens when you're still in the breakout room. What you're going to do is you're going to come into today. For us, we're going to say period C. So if you're period D, pick period D. You're going to click on the Tuesday folder, and then breakout rooms assignment, 10.20. You'll click on my document and then edit. And right here, you'll see that document that you're all going to be working on. So, if you are the recorder and you're sharing your screen and you want to be able to still see what's going on in the conferences, you're going to go back here. You're going to click stop sharing just for a moment. And what I'm going to suggest that you do, now that you have that document open, share your screen again. This time, go to Chrome tab, Group Assignment 10-2020, Share. So then that specific page is all you're sharing. So then when you go into split screen, and I'm going to show you a shortcut of how to do that, you'll be able to see both of them next to each other. So I'm going to grab this tab that says Group Assignment, click with the left, and drag over here, all the way over, Don't let go of it until you see that little blue circle pop up. See it? Just like that. You're going to go into split screen mode. On the other screen, you're going to click here. Back to the conference. So you'll see that when you click back in this document, it's still the full thing. What you can do is you can click this little button right here and adjust the size of the window with whatever you need for it. And move it back over a little bit. So now you can see both of your different windows, and you'll see back on the screen right here that the screen you're sharing, everybody that's in your group can see it right there on the presentation. So they'll be able to see it up nice and close as you scroll through it, as you type on it. And if you want to zoom in, you can click up these three little arrows right here, zoom, and zoom in so that you can see it nice and close so that the presenter, can read it for everybody. So you can tell the presenter when you're ready, you can read. The presenter will read, and you as the recorder sharing the screen, you're going to scroll down as they read so that they read the whole thing. Then you are going to come over here and you can answer questions. You'll ask everybody, what do we think? You'll select your answer. You can do a highlight. You can do a highlight. You could do a font color change. You could do a bold. You could do an underline. You could erase the answer that it isn't. Whatever you want to do to show that that's the answer. And then you're going to fill out the rest of it. So this is the easiest way to work as a group in the breakout rooms. I know this will be the first time that we're doing all of these different steps in it, but this is definitely the easiest way to go about it. So this is what your focus is going to be. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon.